Stop guessing what works on YouTube or spending hours on video ideas. Just come to YouTube Creator AI, come to the Topic Scout, and you can drop down the category of what you make videos about or go to custom. I'm going to work on one for my channel. So I do celebrity real estate. Okay, so I'm going to do celebrity real estate sales 2025. So it's going to find trends. It's going to take a minute. It's going to search live Google Trends, give us 5 ideas of why it's trending, an angle to film it. So it's going to take a minute, but this will save you time doing your own research. We also have an evergreen idea generator where this will give you some more general idea topics. So you can put in your channel niche or keywords, and it'll work the same way here. So it's going to give us five ideas: celebrity divorce real estate battles, the most expensive celebrity homes on the market right now, historic celebrity homes for sale, celebrity real estate controversies, legal battles, and it does, mention some specifics here: celebrity real estate flips, investment strategies. So I'm just going to go to topic number 1 here, and we can do a few things. We can ask AI about it. So I'm going to do that. So we can just click this button here, and it's going to do a little bit more research about the specific topic for us. We just have to do one click, and it's going to give us some specific people that we can mention in our story here. Okay, so it has Lori Loughlin's house, Nicole Kidman and Keith Urban, Kim Kardashian, Kanye West, Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie. So we can save all these to our notes, and if we want to, hey, we want to do this specific video, we can do that. But let's go ahead and just hit this number 1 here, and now it's going to carry us up to our video title generator. So I'm going to go ahead and generate titles, and it's going to give us 5 ideas about this particular. And once again, this can be a good title as well. So we're going to come here, and it's going to give us five title ideas for this specific video. We're going to save all these to notes. Any of these titles that you really like right away, you can add them to our A/B title testers. You can choose let's choose those 2 titles to compare later. Now that we have the titles, let's go ahead and get a script, and we can just hit the generate script. The generate the description. We'll go down to the script later. Now it's going to give us a full description for a YouTube video about this particular topic. We can save the notes. Now we can create a thumbnail concept for this topic as well. Any of these notifications, if you want to disable them, you can just come to the left-hand side to settings here and disable these. So it's going to create a thumbnail concept, and then we can generate an image as well for this particular video. So it's going to give us a concept here, some suggested captions that we can use for this particular video. This is a celebrity video, so what I would recommend is doing a full image with the actual celebrities, but we can do a pop art, modern comic. We have some different options, or you can write your own custom option, or if you want to just a background, you can do that as well. So let's do the pop art and just generate in image for my particular channel. This will give me kind of a good concept that I can use, but I'll probably use celebrity images here. So here's one image for this as a thumbnail. We can download that. Let's do one more as a modern comic, just to see what that comes up as. Give it just a minute, and it's going to generate an image for us. We can download that, and then we do have this additional thumbnail option here. So you could use some of these captions and add those here. You can upload your own image if you wanted to and overlay that on top. You can edit the text. So check that out. You can use the thumbnail editor if you just want it just for your particular video. You can do some prompts here and use that. So now we did the thumbnails, we did the topics, already. I'm not going to do the evergreen ideas. Let's do some audience persona. So celebrity, real estate, divorces. So let's do that for our audience persona generator. And this is going to give us an example of what type of audience that may be watching these particular types of videos. So this is great if you want to start out. If you have a newer channel and not really sure on what to make videos about, you can use our audience persona generator here, and it'll give you an example audience discerning Dana, some viewer goals, some pain points, content preferences, so we can save those to notes. So we can do a couple things here. We have our video hook generator, we have a video script outline, and then a full script generator. Since I'm going to go ahead and do this as kind of a scripted video, I'm going to generate an outline first. So it's going to use this topic, and once again, we're not having to type in this topic again. You can use YouTube Creator AI just for what you need it for. If you already have a video topic and you just need an outline, you can just come here to the outline. So it's going to give us a hook, an introduction, some pain points, and it's talking about some recent celebrity divorces here, some call to action. So we can save that outline to notes, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit generate full script, and it's going to carry over this outline to our script generator. And then you have a couple different options here. So I'm going to do an engaging storytelling script. We're going to hit that here. So now this is going to give us a full script for a video. If you're on camera and you're just talking, you may just want the outline here. So give it just a minute. If you have any issues, just hit generate again. And or if you don't like this script, if you use your own script, you want to do your own research, we did ask the AI and we have all those notes. So now this gives us a full script about this video. Okay, it has scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and an outro. So this is probably a good 4 to 5 minute script. So I'm going to save that script to notes. And once you have that, you can also do some other things. You can get some ideas about some shorts or some other long form videos. We have an A/B testing lab, so we have a couple options. We can go ahead and generate a couple 2 different ideas for titles based off of this topic, and it's going to typically give us like kind of an SEO direct title, which is kind of like our topic here. So we can save those notes. It's going to give us a thumbnail concept, and then kind of a curiosity and emotional title. We can save that to notes. Then in our title showdown, we had these 2 titles that we wanted to test in our A/B tester. So let's go ahead and compare both of these titles. If you just want to use YouTube Creator AI to compare titles, you can just come down to the A/B testing lab or the title showdown and just put in a couple of your titles here. So I'm kind of going through the whole flow on once again how I get my full title, my YouTube ideas, and how I save time without having to spend hours doing research. So it's going to analyze title A, give us pros and cons, analyze title B, give us some pros and cons here, and the expert recommendation is this winning title here. So I save that to notes. We have a community post generator. Let's go ahead and do this as well. So before this video is coming out, this will give us some ideas that we can do some community posts, either promote the video, or once the video is already online, we can give our audience a few little nudges to say, hey, we have a video about this. And community posts are a great way to engage your audience when you're not doing videos. So we can save all these to our notes here. So we didn't do every single generator, but we really have everything we need to create a YouTube video. If you do videos in other languages, you can translate all the notes, or you can even go here to the settings and change the language for all of the generators here. So now we did all those notes. We have our scratch pad here with all of our video titles, our video descriptions, our keywords, file name. So all of your notes are saved here, and you can copy these to your own notes, or you can come down, the trending topics. Let's go back up to the topic scout. I'm sorry about that. And we want to go ahead and save all of our notes here as well in case we decide to do a different idea later. So now our scratch pad has all of our notes of the items that we generated here, and we could just simply save as HTML. And now all of these notes are going to come up clean with your original topic, your video titles, your descriptions. You can simply copy and paste this right into your YouTube description. Has all of our notes here. So let's just in terms of time, we'll scroll all the way down. So everything that we generated on, so you can just have unlimited ideas saved on deck. So you can email this to you. You can save it as a PDF, or this does save as an HTML on your computer, so you can access it at any time. So check it out. YouTube Creator AI is totally free. You can also email the notes to yourself. It'll copy those notes and it'll pop up your email browser. There are some other helpful links, some pro tips here to help with some content strategy. YouTube Creator AI is totally free. You can get a free 7-day trial. Check it out. If you have any questions, you can contact me here at Mateo@YouTubeCreatorAI.com. Thank you.